everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our new mini kit. It's called Love Letters and I want to show you what's in the kit. So you get, this is our new little laser cut. It's got special delivery from My and Love Letters. This is the stamp and it's called Love Letters. I'm going to show you the cute little images. So there's this gorgeous little bunny with some balloons, bunnies in envelopes, hearts and envelopes, more bunnies in envelopes, gorgeous little dove and another little bunny in an envelope, and the sayings are love letters, hugs enclosed, and sending love. So it's all about mail and being happy, and it's just a really cute stamp set. These are the papers. I'll quickly flick you through all the pretty papers. Sorry, I run out of sunlight and I am filming in the dark and my shadow keeps popping on. So these are the cute little pattern papers. These are the cut apart sheets. So this one here has got a whole bunch of sayings on it, and these you can either cut out in square or use a 1-inch circle die. We do have another die that you can lay over there and cut them all out at once coming, but it's not available yet. So just use your 1.5-inch circle die or a punch if you've got one for those. And of course the little magazine. So I'll show you that add-on. I think I should show you the add-ons first, and then we'll come back and take a look in the magazine. Okay, so the add-ons, first add-on is the matching fussy cutting die, of course, if you want to add on the Love Letters fussy cutting die. We actually have another whole stamp set this month, which the DT have used to create blog posts in the magazine. It is called Special Delivery, and it's got these most adorable little sheep on there. Continuing with the cute little mail theme, like hello, you've got mail, you make me happy, made with love, so cute. Matching fussy cutting die. Actually, I think I had those around the wrong way. Nope. There's a matching fussy cutting die somewhere for this one. It's just hiding. Then there are these two dies. This one is called our folding envelope die, and it folds up into a cute little envelope. And then this one is called our postage die, and it's got these little postage stamps on it, or post die, I should say. And this most adorable teeny tiny envelope die. So this is the size of it. You can just get by my fingernails. It actually folds. It's got all the folding lines to make the gorgeous little envelope, which these guys can like hold on to, or you can stick on the front of cards. It's so sweet. So that is all the add-ons. Let's take a look in the magazine now. So this is that post die. These are just from the cut apart sheet. Very cute. This love letters here, which the DT have liked to use, is on the laser cut. The little love letters there. The gorgeous little hot air balloon bunny. That would make such a cute little baby card too, I think. This is that folding envelope die with the little stamp on top. Love these flying little guys. More of the cute little bunnies. Special delivery. Again, that is on the laser cut. Oh, how adorable is he with the balloons. So sweet. Lots of cute little sayings. Again, that's the folding envelope die and the laser cut. Love this guy too. There are lots more blog posts coming out with this collection with both the stamps, which we'll see on our blog. This one is the post die again with the cute little postage stamps. I love this too. From my heart, sent with love. This is the sheep. Isn't he adorable? Love that. And there's that beautiful dove delivering the mail. Okay, we have one more little thing we're releasing, which I want to show you now, is stamps that match our essential dies. So we've been waiting for these for ages. So this is our essential card making stamp number 2, which matches die number 5. So if you like to stamp, and instead of just buying the cut apart sheets, you can stamp this and cut it out with that die. And this is essential card making stamp number 1, and that works with die number 4. Okay, so these two can work together. So those stamps are also now available and included in this release. Wow, so that was a lot. So this, guys, is available on our website to purchase on today. It's also available at your local craft store. If you wanted to pop in and support your local, just ask them if they don't have it, and I'm sure they'll be able to get it in for you.